kids! Today we're going to learn about colors, words, and even a little bit about a special holiday called Thanksgiving using this cool Thanksgiving puzzle. Thanksgiving is a special day when families and friends come together to share food and say thank you for the things that make them happy, like our toys, our home, our family, and the people we love. On Thanksgiving, we eat lots of yummy foods. You can see some of those foods right here on our puzzle. Let's check them out. This is a turkey leg. Turkey is the main dish at Thanksgiving. It can take a really long time to make a turkey in the oven. These are mashed potatoes. When you take potatoes, cook them, and mash them up real good, they can be really yummy. This is a jar of cranberry sauce. It's kind of like the jelly on your peanut butter and jelly sandwich. This is pumpkin pie. Pumpkin pie is a traditional Thanksgiving dessert. If you take the insides out of a pumpkin and mash them up real good, you get pumpkin pie. This is an ear of corn. Some people call it corn on the cob. These are green beans. It's always good to have a few vegetables with your Thanksgiving dinner. This is a loaf of bread. Bread is especially yummy right out of the oven. This is sweet potato casserole. Sweet potatoes are orange and sweet. You mash them up and you can top them with marshmallows. It's really yummy. This is stuffing. Stuffing is kind of soft and squishy, and sometimes you can stuff it inside of your turkey. To make stuffing, people usually use bread, butter, onions, celery, herbs, or broth. This is a boat full of gravy. Gravy is a brown sauce that you can pour on your turkey or your potatoes to give them more flavor. Last but not least, this is mac and cheese. It consists of macaroni or pasta and cheese. It's ooey gooey and super tasty. Now that we know all of our Thanksgiving foods, let's invite over a couple of friends and see what they'd like to eat. Who do we have first? It's Peppa Pig!
Hello, I'm Peppa Pig.
Peppa Pig is from England. Since Thanksgiving is only celebrated in USA and Canada, Peppa's never had a Thanksgiving before.
That's right. This is my first Thanksgiving ever. I want to try the most traditional Thanksgiving foods. Can I please have some turkey, mashed potatoes, gravy, and a slice of pumpkin pie?
Sure, Peppa. We can help you with that. Hey kids, can you help Peppa find the turkey, the mashed potatoes, the gravy, and a slice of pumpkin pie? Yeah, here they are. We got the turkey, the mashed potatoes, the gravy, and here's that piece of pumpkin pie. Here's your Thanksgiving dinner, Peppa. I hope you like it.
Thank you.
All right, let's see who the next friend is coming to our Thanksgiving. It's Bert from Sesame Street. Hi, Bert.
Hello. It's really nice to be here for Thanksgiving with you.
What would you like for Thanksgiving dinner, Bert?
I only want to eat vegetables.
Okay, Bert, we can do that for you. Hey kids, do you know which of our foods are vegetables? Is mac and cheese a vegetable? No, mac and cheese is not a vegetable. It's pasta and cheese. Guess we better try again. What about bread? Is bread a vegetable? No, bread is not a vegetable either. Let's try one more time. Which of our foods are vegetables? Yeah, here they are. We have mashed potatoes, our ear of corn, the green beans, and our sweet potato casserole. Gee, Bert, are you sure all you want are vegetables?
Maybe I'll take some cranberry sauce too. I like to live dangerously.
You got it, Bert. All right, here's Bert's Thanksgiving dinner. Hope it's to your liking.
Thanks so much. This looks way better than oatmeal.
My pleasure, Bert. All right, it looks like we have one more guest coming for Thanksgiving. Who could it be? It's Mickey Mouse. Hiya, Mickey.
Oh boy, I'm so excited for Thanksgiving.
All right, Mickey, what can we get you for your Thanksgiving dinner?
I want to eat foods that are either brown or yellow.
Well, that's kind of an odd request, Mickey, but we can help you out with that. Okay, kids, which of our foods are brown or yellow? Yeah, here they all are. We got our brown mashed potatoes, our brown turkey leg, our brown bread, brown stuffing, our brown gravy, our yellow corn, and our yellow mac and cheese. All right, Mickey, here are all of your brown and yellow foods. This is quite a plate. Are you sure you can finish all of this?
I'm gonna share some with Minnie.
Ah, of course.
See you real soon.
All right, we did it. We served all of our friends their Thanksgiving dinners. Thanks so much for playing with me. I hope you had fun. What's your favorite Thanksgiving food? I'll see you again next time. Bye.